Hi, Andy here from Living in Weymouth. In today's video we take a walk around Sutton Poyntz village. Sutton Poyntz sits in a very important area of Neolithic and Bronze Age human occupation called the Dorset Ridgeway. The hills to the north of the village have a number of round barrows built around 4,000 years ago, probably as burial sites. We will take you on a walk around those hills in a separate video coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when this video is available. Sutton Poyntz itself dates back to Roman times when it belonged to the Villa by the River Jordan in Preston. It became an established village around the 8th century named Sutton, meaning South Farm. In the year 1212, it was gifted to the Poyntz family, who held it for about 100 years. Then it was passed on to many other landowners until 1925, when properties were sold off to private tenants. Sutton Mill was built in 1815. The mill house on the left of the screen a little later, but ceased operation in 1960. As you walk down the back path behind Sutton Mill, you will see several of the original millstones displayed along the riverbanks. In 1855, the original upper mill was sold to Weymouth Waterworks Company, who installed pumping equipment to supply water to the town of Weymouth. The Springhead pub is now the only remaining pub in the village, and it started life as a hotel back in 1890s. We will explore this lovely pub more in a future video. So there we have it, a quick walk around Sutton Poyntz. If you enjoyed this video, then why not take a look at one of our other recent videos that were filmed at Tout Quarry in Portland and Weymouth Harbour. Thanks for watching.